Hi, my name is Dr. Enes, and I am a cardiologist and a researcher with more than 30 years of experience in research and taking care of patients with a serious heart disease. My own research has shown that heart disease rates among Indian Americans are 4 times higher than white Americans. Others have shown that death rate from heart disease among Indian Americans younger than 45 years of age is 8 times higher than white Americans in the state of California. These startling statistics become even more alarming when we pause and realize that 90% of heart disease is now preventable. In fact, today, heart disease has now become so predictable, so preventable, and so treatable that every heart attack, stroke, angioplasty, stents, and bypass surgery before age 75 is a medical failure. You may be wondering if there is any data to back this bold statement. The answer is yes. The death rate from heart disease has come down by 80% in Finland and by 70% in the United States over the last 30 to 35 years. And the rates are now coming down at a rate of 3 to 4% per year. Unfortunately, during the same period, the heart disease death rate in India have increased by 300%, and it is now increasing at a rate of 5 to 6% per year. The most ominous feature of heart disease among Indians is that it strikes them very hard and strikes them at a very young age. For example, malignant heart disease claims the lives of more than 1 million young Indians younger than 45 years of age in India every year, compared to less than 10,000 in the United States. This huge difference cannot be explained by the 4-fold difference in the size of the population. Over the last 30 years, I have gained a unique insight into the causation and management of heart disease among Asian Indians. I have published more than 60 papers in major medical journals focusing on this topic. I have also published a database book, How to Beat the Heart Disease Among South Asians, a prevention and management guide for Asian Indians and their doctors. This book can be previewed and downloaded from our website caddyresearch.org. Our just introduced DVD video course is our latest attempt to empower you to master all the essentials of Indian heart disease in just one sitting. It is titled 9 Steps to Reduce the Risk of a Heart Attack by 90% in 90 days or less. It is packed with information you can use, such as number 1, the basics of Indian heart disease and the limitations of angioplasty, stent, and bypass surgery in preventing a heart attack or death. 2, the importance of risk factors, particularly a family history of early heart disease in a younger brother or sister. 3, the crucial role of lipoprotein a, a genetic variant of the LDL cholesterol, in malignant heart disease among young Indians. 4, how to predict your own risk of a heart attack before any symptoms, and how you can detect advanced silent heart disease again before any symptoms and manage it. And finally, the fundamentals of healthy lifestyle choices and life-saving medications. Those who have read the book or listened to the DVD has told me that they were able to increase their knowledge on this topic by 300 to 400% and take the necessary proactive measures. The book can be ordered from our website careerresearch.org, and the video can be ordered by clicking the link below. I know you have a good heart. I know you have a kind heart, but is it a healthy heart?